Gary the gardener and his girlfriend Rose. They dig, plant and sow the ground to make the garden grow. They sing as they go with a hey-dee, hey-dee, ho. If you need to know what to plant and where and when, just follow Gary's help list from numbers 1 to 10. Gary is the man to ask, he'll tell you what to sow.
Hello gardening friends. Well, today we continue with the next 3 letters of the fruit and vegetable alphabet. But first of all, let's ask Wonky to go over the first 12 letters of the alphabet to remind us what they are. Wonky! Wonky! Where are you?
Sorry, Gary, I was late for work. I was just having a little rest.
Have a rest? We don't have time to have a rest, Wonky. There's lots of work to do. And I have told everyone that you are going to go over the first 12 letters of the fruit and vegetable alphabet.
Okay, Gary, that's easy. A is for apple. B is for banana. C is for carrots. D is for dates. E is for eggplant. F is for fig. G is for grapefruit. H is for honeydew melon. I is for iceberg lettuce. J is for jalapeno. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. K is for kiwi fruit. And L is for lemons and limes. Keeping it green, Gary.
Wow, we've got up to the letter L already. Thank you, Wonky, for all those letters. You had better go off and have another rest because you deserve it. Well, gardening friends, we have got up to the letter L, but I'm going to need some help with the letter that follows L. Whoa, it's Batman.
Hi, Gary. Is it green, Gary? I'm here to tell you the letter M.
I'm so glad you've come to help me today. So, what fruit or vegetable begins with the letter M? Did you say mango? I know a dance. It's called the Mango Tango Dance. Give me 5. Whoa! That was a good mango tango. What letter is up next, Batman?
N is for nectarine. Delicious.
Wow, you're so clever, Batman. So, Batman, after the letter N, it's O. Could you tell me what fruit or vegetable begins with O? So, after the letter N, it's O. Could you tell me what the next fruit or vegetable is that begins with O?
O is for orange.
You can squeeze them and you can have them for your breakfast. Very juicy. Cheers. Well, little friends, we've just done the letters M, N and O for orange juice. We're going to finish our orange juice, aren't we, Batman?
Keeping it green, Gary.
Keeping it green. Bye everyone. Bye.
Gary the gardener and his girlfriend Rose, they dig, plant and sow the ground to make the garden grow. They sing as they go with a hey-dee, hey-dee, ho. If you need to know what to plant and where and when, just follow Gary's help list from numbers 1 to 10. Gary is the man to ask, he'll tell you what to sow.